Okay, had to start a new video because that was over 3 minutes. So what's it look like here? As I said, there's only 70 Norwegians that went last year. But what we're trying to do is get into the churches, get into the denominations, and let them know that we're here. Let them know what we can offer to the churches. And another number that was very surprising in that report was that the small organizations like OM and other such small organizations are in fact seeing a major increase in the number of missionaries we are sending compared to the major machines within the denominational missions. I don't know why that is. Could quite possibly be because, especially OM, where we have a lot of things going on around the globe in a number of different areas, such as human trafficking, relief and development, AIDS, sports, music, ministry, all kinds of different ministries that we're involved in. In fact, I heard one man describe it many years ago that the major organizations are like aircraft carriers. You know, once they get going, they've got a plan, they're going, where OM is more of a ski boat. So we can get into the smaller areas, maybe go places that the major organizations would. So that gives us a lot of diversity. That gives us a lot of opportunities to find niche ministries for people where maybe the major denominations don't. So my role in church relations is getting into churches, communicating this to the pastors, to the church leaders, to the people, and letting them know what we have to offer. And then also trying to intersect the people at that point in their lives where they're ready to join long-term missions. Because for Joe and I, it was almost a 10-year process from the first time we heard about missions until we actually joined. So trying to find the people that are ready to go, when they're ready to go, and find a place for them to go is really the crux of what we're trying to do right now. Just looking at my time. So that's my role. And I think some of you are told that geographically, Norway is the size of the eastern U.S. So our offices would be, if you can picture, let's say our offices are in Miami, and we're working with churches all the way up to New Jersey, and an area probably about as wide as maybe Tennessee. So there's a lot of geography to cover, and right now I'm the only one in this office doing that for our organization. So I'm hoping that maybe next summer or by 2017 for sure would need an assistant to help cover those areas, and we'll see what that brings.